Hello my friend, how are you today? I hope you always fine. I will show you how to make the face mask. I use finger pattern for making the mask. I hope you like it. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share my video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make this mask. The materials are fabric, scissors, thread and needle, elastic rope, pen or pencil, paper. The first step, you take a paper and you hold in half and you need 3 fingers, thumb, forefinger and middle finger. You need 3 fingers. Okay. You put your finger, this is the line, put the middle finger here and the thumb here, not like this but here. Okay, middle finger, forefinger and thumb. Okay, give the mark and forefinger the same line. The thumb and here. You have 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Take ruler. Like this. And you cut. Okay, this is it's about 11. Yeah, this is 15 or 14. This is a 6 centimeter. Okay, and you copy the paper on a fabric like this and you cut. Okay. Take a needle and thread. You start sewing here in the corner. Keep sewing until here. But you skew first with a needle. You can make it by a hand or sewing machine. Until here. Okay. Yeah. You need to and you start sewing from this one around. You keep sewing around the marks until here. Give space. Do not sew. Okay. Okay. And you open. Until this one. Okay. And now you fold. Okay. And sew here until here by a hand or sewing machine. Like this. And take elastic rope. It's about 20 centimeter and you insert like this. And the fabric face mask has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.